Hello, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is a tutorial to guide you how you can sign up for a Sadiqahconnect account. So when you visit our website, you get to this point, then you scroll down to sign up. Then you set your password. You click register. So when you click register, you upload your profile photo. Let me choose one of our logos here. Make sure you fill in the details about you, brief details about you and the kind of person you're searching for. Fill in the details, for example, your clan, your nationality. You could be in Saudi Arabia, but you were Ugandan. So up there you filled in you are Ugandan, or you could have filled in Saudi Arabia. But here you give in all the details about you and the person you're looking for. So for example, so make sure you complete everything to the dot. You can leave this by default, and you save the profile. So now you're supposed to upload verification documents. This is a security check. We don't want fake profiles on the platform, so please abide by this. We shall not activate your account before you submit a valid identification document. So you choose national ID and you upload, then you submit. Once you submit, we shall get a notification and we shall review your verification documents. Once approved, you will get back a notification via email, and you will be able to read your notifications from here as well if you have any. So once approved, it will show approved here. Now there is one last thing about enrollment. When you log out, and try to log in again, we need your email to be verified as well. You will receive an email on your email. This is a check to validate your emails. Some of you put some typos and invalid emails. So once I put in the password, so you get this. It will prompt you to verify your email. Just click resend in case the email is not yet already in your inbox. Be sure to check the spam folder as well if you check and it is not there. So I'll click, then I get my phone to check for the verification link. So after verification, your account is now set to go. Make sure you receive the email in your inbox. Tap on the link and you'll be able to verify your account. So here is your dashboard. We shall have discovery. If you want to start the search, you have these filters. You can search by education level, age, minimum age, maximum age. You can choose to interact with only verified users to avoid fake profiles. Then when you choose someone, let's say you can view profile, then you have to send that person a request. You cannot chat with someone before they approve your request, so they will be able to see your profile details. That's why it is important to fill this part. Please make it a point and have a profile photo, because the counterpart would like to know before they initiate this conversation, is it aligned with their interests? So you can check the profile photo of the person before you send, then make sure you read the details for the person you are searching for, or the profile you are looking out to. Then messages. Once your account is verified, the documentation, you will be able to message these people. Yes, so then subscription, you have 1 month free, and once that is done, you have to subscribe. You go to subscribe now, you choose a plan that fits you, then you say pay now. You'll be redirected to our payment processor, then you fill in your details. People in Uganda, you can use Momo and Airtel. People abroad, you have to use Visa payment. So Uganda, you can put in your number. You'll get a prompt on your phone. Once you click proceed, then you just put in the PIN. The amount you're paying is indicated here, transferable to the company that developed Sadiqahconnect. So it is a seamless transaction, checkout process, very easy. Just put in your number starting with 07, then you proceed. You will get a prompt on your phone, put in the password. Please note, we shall also have, I go back to subscriptions. We have a package for assisted service. We shall have, when you buy this package, we do everything for you. It is us to do the connections. We only hand you the prospect. After introduction, we search the criteria, what you gave us. So still in your about, when you're creating your account, make sure your about me is clear, the person you're looking for, and the details about you. Yes, so this package is VIP. We do the rest for you. We just connect you. So for the assisted service clients, on the dashboard here, you have a special inbox. Apart from the notification here, you have your inbox here. The rest, the messages are received here. But for you, remember, we have to introduce you to people. So those interactions, you receive them from here. So you'll see the requests you received and the requests sent. So these requests will represent you on the introductions. So for you, you will just receive notifications here, you approve and chat with the prospect. So we shall do everything for you. We shall do the contacting, the prospecting, negotiations where possible. Then that's when we introduce that person to you, and you will get the notifications here. Then receive the notifications. That is if someone is interested in you, who is an assisted service subscriber, you receive them here. Then the ones we have prospected for you, you see them here. And in case you have issues, the system, feel free to submit support requests, tickets. You can come to new ticket, describe the problem, and give us a description. We shall take up the ticket and you will be updated throughout. Make sure you read your notifications up here. Then your verifications, well, if in case your document is rejected, you will get a notification and the reason why it is rejected. But don't worry, you'll be able to upload a new one. So they will all be listed here. Then we shall have a directory for Nika service providers. If you're out there and you're a business person dealing in Nika events planning, MCs, sheikhs, counselors. Yes, you can create accounts too, and your directory will be here. Our subscribers will be able to negotiate, to engage you for business once they are ready for Nikah. What else? You can edit your profile. In case you didn't put a profile photo, you missed something, just choose update, then you fill in everything. Yeah, and then you move on to the next. Messages will be coming here in case someone has contacted you. Then requests. This is very important. Remember, I said you cannot contact someone before you send in a request. You cannot message them. So incoming requests, you view them here. And for you to make requests, you go to discover, look for a profile that matches your interest, and then you view or send a request immediately here. But you can still do it here after viewing the profile. Yes. With that, we wish you the best, and we shall be supporting you throughout the journey. Make sure you keep it halal. This is not a dating site. It's a matchmaking site, so you only get here when your intention is clear. Please keep it halal. And in case users get naughty, you are able to report someone who is misbehaving. We shall take action immediately. We want to keep this in line. Yeah, that's I have done the introduction to the system, and I hope you'll be able to use it without any issues. These are quick links. These are new profiles suggested to you. You can view all by going to discover. Then your plan details are listed here. So you now have a free trial that is ending on that date. The message is left. Remember, our subscription plan is message based. So as you see, yeah, so make sure you subscribe to enable us improve the system and keep it running 24/7. The costs are insane for hosting a system, and we shall both prosper together. All right, have a good day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.